There's your stocking. What did Santa leave you in your stocking? What are those? Those are lollipops? Hmm?
What's that other?
Is that what Santa brought you? What else is in there? Hmm? Look, what else is in here? Here, look here. What's in there? Yeah, you can have one after. Quinn? Look. What's in your stocking?
What's that? What's that?